Even if your Android smartphone no longer receives over-the-air firmware updates from its OEM, you are still getting new features added to your device thanks to the work Google has done this week. Let's take a look at the new changes rolling out. This week, your Google Play Services application will be updated to version 25.48, and with it, we have a few minor changes that have been worked on. For example, Google has added some new features for developers that allow them to support account management related processes in their apps. And they've also added some new features for developers that allow them to support digital wallet and payments related processes as well. Those who set up phones and wearables for supervised accounts may also notice some new user interface updates along the way. The company has added open source licensing details to GMS Core for its Pixel audio services. And last up, for the Google Play Services update, they've added an improved user interface layout for in-person presentations. This week, folks will also notice the Google Play Store application is going to be updated to version 49.2, and the first thing listed here are updates to the Notification Center that allows you to have a more personalized and organized notifications experience, which I believe is all related to the Notification Organizer feature that Google has begun to roll out to its Pixel devices. Something that I hope to have a video up on the channel about in the near future. For those who live in India, you'll begin to see a new verified badge to help you easily identify brokerage apps in India that are registered with the Security and Exchange Board of India, aka the SEBI. And last up, the newest update to the Google Play Store application will change the dialog size so that it now aligns with Material Design 3 guidelines. All of these updates are pushed out to devices in a slow, phased rollout, which means you may end up waiting until Google is ready to send that update to you. Just be aware that these can be updated manually, and I have a dedicated guide that shows you how that can be done. So look for that link down in the video description below.